There was one on the April 1st and April 2nd.
Today another one?
Yeah.
Yep, another rocket. There, hold it, Angel. Look at, see the thing behind it?
Yeah.
See the thing behind it?
Yeah. Where? Behind what? Let me see. Oh, in the sky, my bad. No, not behind them. Just 3.
There's 3 dots now, yep.
Yeah.
Oh, one.
I always count. Allá atrás son 1 y allá atrás son 2.
Dos,
Yeah.
otro.
Yeah. Ahí va otro, ¿ves?
Okay, there's another
Yeah,
one.
son
I
3.
see it.
Sí, salieron 3 ahorita. Cuando siempre me
Ah,
toca
doesn't
cuando
turn.
ya viene, ya este güey.
It won't fall off for another like maybe a minute or 2.
The other ones?
Sí. You can all the way up there.
Ahorita me acordé, dije, voy para afuera y voy a tirar la caja abierta. Y volteé, dije, mira el pinche. ¿El otro se acuerda también? En cuanto salí lo miré. Imagina el resto que va ahí, lo que hizo de ahí, pedacito. Está bien grande ese pinche pedazo. Allá, you see it right there?
Oh, the rocket's still there, but the other piece.
Oh, there.
No, it's not
You see it
pieces.
right there, que sí? Little flashlight.
Sí.
You see it? Vamos a estar aquí en la esquina de la casa, para acá, mira, está. Allá está, pues no está ahí.
It's not making the design like it used to, like it did.
Estoy en la esquina así en la casa.
On the first it was, I heard, well the second was the question mark, right?
Yeah. No, mírate, mira. You need glasses.
I do.
For sure, yes. For now, before you get glasses, here's your hat. There you go. Here's your hat. Oh, almost disappear.
I know the building's gonna,
Yeah.
oh yeah, the building's gonna cover it.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go get your van. Let's go get your van.
Let's go chase it.
Oh, it's slowly disappearing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. It's already,
How far is it right now?
look, it looks like it's coming back around.
Oh, it's going up.
It's going up?
Yeah. How many do you think is mine right there?
Right over there.
Almost disappear.
Oh yeah, there it is. Did it drop the thing yet?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was already it was dropping the little balls.
Yeah. Look at that, Davey.
Hey, that was cool when it came right there. Yeah. Ahí estaba chingón, mira.
Oh, that's where it,
Yeah, that way it come.
Look at there's the tail. Look at over there.
wow.
I started seeing right there when the Ruby come out was almost halfway. Yeah. You cannot see anymore.
No, it's right there. That's it.
Yeah. Well, go on the ceiling of the building. And you can go up more. Man, how far do you think it's going up?
I don't think we'll be able to get it. Hold on, everybody. I'm gonna see if I can go through the restaurant and get it on the other side real quick. Sorry, Corey.
Oh, we sure did.
There it is.
Yeah, there's another one tonight. What time is it?
There it goes.
And then it had a break in the tail, you know, like a gap. And then we zoomed in on it, and this is a big gas fire around. In 1 minute.